Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Everglory International Group. This is a Chinese company that has been absolutely exploding on the market today. You guys can see over here they were up 124, almost 125% in a single day. And this is huge news because, as I'm sure you guys know, the last couple of weeks have not been too kind to Chinese companies. Over the past 5 days, over the past month, things have been really volatile. Things have been really crazy. In February, this company peaked at right around $4.58, and it's just kind of been a slow downward descent since then. I mean, really from these tops all the way to here, being down 52% before now skyrocketing up to where they've been, so far in the year. They're up to their year-to-date highs right now, which is pretty crazy. And obviously, when you see something like this, when you see 125% in a single day, there's going to be a lot of people wondering what's going on, but there's going to be some news. There's going to be a reason. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. And subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. I'm really trying to hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel. We recently passed 800, and with your guys' help, we can get to 1,000 a little bit faster. Just adding one more person. That would be absolutely awesome. With that being said, let's get right into this. So, I don't know. I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know about EVK or what they do. That's the ticker symbol here, EVK. They are a small company. After doubling up today, they are sitting at a market cap of right around 74 million. So not too big, not too major. But what they are is, as stated by Yahoo Finance, they are a Chinese company, and with their subsidiaries, manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers for apparel in China. They also do business in Germany, the UK, Europe, Japan, and the United States. They do wholesale and retail. They primarily offer casual wear, outerwear, and sportswear. So that's what's going on here. As far as why this stock went up so big today, we have this article from investorplace.com. The huge news that has Everglory International rocketing today. That's obviously what we're wondering. That's what we're trying to figure out. What's going on here? I'm curious. So EVK stock is seeing some rather impressive gains. Any triple-digit day is incredible. I agree with the author here, definitely. And like they said, as expected, some big news is driving today's rapid share appreciation. So one of the main things coming out is that today, Everglory announced a share repurchase program of $5 million. And again, like they say, that's really doesn't sound like too much for most companies, but you got to remember, before they doubled up today, Everglory's market cap was less than $35 million. So purchasing back $5 million of shares on a $35 million company, that is a very big deal. That's going to be great for the stock price just in and of itself, but also it is usually a bullish sign because it means the company believes in themselves. They are purchasing an asset. They are buying $5 million of their own shares, or $5 million worth of their own shares that they believe are going to appreciate in the future. If they thought the future wasn't looking good for themselves, they probably wouldn't be buying back too many shares. So this is kind of like good in two ways for shareholders. This is such a good sign, and they're buying back so many of the shares that this is going to be very good. That was bullish news in and of itself. And then also, investors may be aware that Chinese stocks have been hit pretty hard. There's a ton of regulatory concerns about the CCP, how they're aiming to regulate its corporations, and that has a ton of risk has been factored into these companies. These companies have been beat down, while some of the tech stocks got hit the hardest, like Baidu got beat down, Baba got beat down. Conventional retailers like Everglory got beat down as well. And since their shares have been down so much, this seems like a time where if you think things are going to get better, if you think you're going to be able to bounce back from this, continue to show good growth and numbers in the future, it makes a ton of sense for the business to now be investing in themselves. So that is another great time for a product or for a plan like this to come out. So this is a really big deal. Not only, again, are they purchasing more shares, not only do they believe the future is bullish, but they also were able to get a ton of shares at a big discount. Because again, within the last year, we've seen this company at these prices, and it just got beat down so much that that's when you want to buy. You want to buy low and sell high, and that is what EVK might be doing on themselves here. And obviously, that news has excited investors. A lot of these Chinese stocks, there is a ton of risk, there is a ton of fear and everything, but sometimes that fear can be a little overplayed. Sometimes that fear can be a little overblown. Just like when stocks run up, people get a little too excited. When Chinese stocks have gotten beat down, sometimes people are a little overly negative about them. There might actually be some good opportunities here, and that's kind of what I think people in the market are feeling about EVK right now, and that is what led to their 125% single day today, which is absolutely insane, but at least now we know what's going on. So definitely drop a like if you guys did enjoy this video. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about EVK? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one, but until then, peace!